Hello guys, welcome to week 5, the last week of January, and I must appreciate you guys for your support, for your likes, your subscription. I really appreciate you guys, and I continue to bring out the best in my analysis and to drop it out for you weekly so that you guys can also have a view of what I'm doing from the market. Thank you. Let's dive into DXY for the last week of January. Let's see what we have for DXY in this last week of January. So I would like us to go on from the monthly view and let's see the structure we've been creating. So from the monthly view, I feel like there's something I'm not seeing, and I want you guys to see it. So let's go down to 12 months so that I can really explain what I'm talking about. Okay, now we have a break of structure here, we have another break of structure here. Now when the market broke this low, we have a rally and a drop. So this rally, base here and drop, price has not revisited this base, so this is a significant supply for future use. So price broke the low, retraced, breaks the low again, and price is retracing. So this present swing high and swing low is where we are. So I dive into monthly to check in all the supplies that are in that zone. Okay, I think monthly is too thick. Let's go to 3 months. Okay, 3 months into this supply. So this was the first rally, drop, base, drop. So this base one, this second base will act as the liquidity for this one, but this will still give out some profit though. 2, then we have drop, base, drop, retrace, mitigate this base, drop, base, drop. So price retraced back to this base, gave some profit twice and took it out. This now becomes a rally, base, rally, base, rally, tap into the supply, drop, rally, drop, rally, base, rally, took out the supply, mitigate the highest one. So I've taken out this liquidity in this zone. Now price now drops base. So what are we expecting? Again, expecting a drop, right? At least to come visit this one or this one. But I feel like there's a liquidity at the top of this that makes price want to push onto this. So let's go down to 1 month and let's see. Now when price taps into this supply, what happened? We have before price tapped into it, let's take a look at here. We have a rally, base, rally formation, and this is the last base. So rally, then we have a drop inside this base. And what happened inside this base? This base held, even if price broke through this base, but this base held, and we have a change of character here because we have drop, base, drop here, base, drop, another break of structure. Then we have rally, taking out the 2 drops. Okay, so this is a change of character, this is a break of structure, and we also have a previous break of structure here. Now this base, before the rally, price revisited it. So what am I expecting in this base? I'm expecting this base to still push price higher. So let's go down to weekly, at least to break the BOS. Now on the weekly, when price revisited this supply, we have a rally, drop, base, drop, base. This base has been mitigated by this one, then drop. We now have base, drop, base, and formation until it gets into this demand zone. Now this is an unmitigated supply. This has been mitigated. These 2 bullish candlestick has been mitigated by these supplies. So there's some funds and other here waiting to be sold out, at least to this floor. So what are we doing here? After this change of character into this supply, price sold back into the drop base rally. The drop base rally that took this impulsive move into the supply, price sold back to it, and this rally is currently showing some sign of push also to take out at least this high if possible. So before we get to this high, what are the necessary supplies that we might face? So we have rally base, rally drop. This is the first drop, and this base mitigates the first one. Drop, another base, and drop. Now we're in the first base, which is the supply zone, and price is currently struggling to break out in this supply zone. So I just marked out my week low and my week high to see if price should take out my week high. Then I'm very confident that we are coming for this high here, because we will take out this one too, and we'll come here and target this buy side liquidity that have been held for some months here, and probably tap into this. This might take a lot of while though, so I'm thinking DXY is going to be bullish for a couple of months. So this is what I'm seeing in this plan. I'm saying this, and I'm saying this. So we might possibly push DXY to this price tag here, which is I think here it's fine, 110 and to 113. So I feel the SY is going to push down from 110 to 113 before we could see another drop on the XY. Okay, that's fine. So this is just my view for the XY. So I'm hoping this week will break above this, and also we have a lot of news this week for the XY. A lot. I think it's from Tuesday. Yes, I think this is the last week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the last week. So see, from Tuesday we have significant news, New York session. Wednesday we have also New York session. Thursday we have New York session. Friday NFP New York session. So you can see how bloody this week is looking. There's a lot of important news to back up the XY clean. So I'm expecting to see some massive move this week, at least to this zone. At least to this zone. I feel we should close in this zone for this week. We should pull up and close in this zone. So if we can pull up and close here, then February should take out this high, then March should come here. Hopefully, I'm just analytic about it, hopefully. So if, because on the monthly time frame, let's see what the monthly is. How long can we emphasize the move of NFP this week? We already have a lot of news last week which really didn't move much as expected. So this week we have a couple of news, and we expect price to come here, tap into that supply and drop back to this immediate. So every low here is a liquidity that will be taken out in the near future. So this is a retracement back into this OB, and this OB now is pulling price up to take out this high. So this week I'm positive, I'm bullish on the XY, I'm bullish on the XY, because the XY is attacking some supplies presently. You can see that on the weekly time frame, that we are attacking some supplies on the weekly time frame. So I'm expecting those supplies to be taken out. Yes, I'm expecting those. That's why we are having a lot of candles imbalances. Yes, those candles are looking like there's a problem with them. Yes, the candles are having imbalances. So we have to take out this week, we have to take out this supply with the news and head for this next supply. So on a daily, what are we looking at on a daily? Now on the daily, we still have some supplies that have not been so let's move from here. This was the first break of structure, last break of structure, and this was where we change the character. We break structure, price retrace, took out this high, tap into this rally base drop, because we rallied into this place and we drop immediately, taking out the low. So that base was here and price took out this high and tap into it. So we have an unmitigated supply here, because after tapping into it, it broke all the low and created a new base drop. We have a base here on the daily that is unmitigated, also drop, base drop, price retrace back to this base drop, retraced again, and we have a drop, base drop formation to take out this low. So this base becomes unmitigated, and what do we have here? Base drop, base drop. Then when price got to this base, it took it out. That was last I think 2 weeks ago, and I was like, wow, for price to take out this base, then mean this OB is starting to pump DXY bullishly. So after we pumped the candle closure here with the news, which is like an institutional candle, is entailing all the other candles, which is inside bar. So every candle here is inside this single man's candle. Let me move it, you can see it now. Inside this single man, every candle is inside. So when price broke out, so this becomes our base, and price now retraced and tap into the base. What do we expect? A push up. So price pushed, and price is about to push higher to take out this supply and head for this next supply. So this week, this is my week high, this is my week low. I'm not expecting price to take out this low. If price should come back to take out this low, we might have something like this and take out this high, but this would have been this would have pumped a lot of move though, because this would have been a fake sell-off to buy off. So a lot of sellers would have been taken out, and this move would have been massive to probably here, because it would have taken out a lot of sellers. So let's see how it goes, but I wish the market can just on a daily just not take out this major. It can take out this two, tap a little bit, and we move. So either of the two that works, whichever one the market will feel like giving us, then we are in for it. We just have the bias of bullishness on DXY. So I wait to see how this supply get taken this week and this next supply before this won't give us any problem. This is the major two supply that is in this zone. This will just be swept easily. Once this two has been taken, this will be swept easily, because there's a gap here and that gap needs to be filled. So it will just crush this guy here easily. So my anticipation and analysis for DXY this week is bullish. I'm expecting all news to favor the bullish move. No matter how the news comes, it's supposed to favor the bullish move. So prepare for a bullish move on DXY this week. All right, thank you guys, love you guys so much. Don't forget to always share, like, comment. I reply all your comments, even the abusive ones, the good ones. I reply everything. I'm very interactive with that. So please do like, subscribe, as we see in the next week, which is the first week of February. But this week has amazing possibilities on DXY, which is positive on the bullish side. Okay, all right, peace out guys, see you guys, have a wonderful and a profitable week. Bye.